Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today's the day that we are going to choose the winner for our Christmas in July hop that was hosted by Jennie from Craft Creations, and I'm just showing you one of my old videos. I can't think right now. So that you'll have something cute to look at. Anyhow, yeah. First, I want to appreciate all of you who stopped by and left your sweet comments, and thank you for those of you who chose to subscribe to our channels. We really appreciate it. We know that YouTube has gone, as far as the views and everything, downhill. People just don't tune into YouTube as much as they used to, and so perhaps I will see you at TikTok. I know that TikTok has gained a large audience, a large junk journal audience, and I am just loving all of those videos, those 10-second videos. But anywho, that's neither here nor there. And so yeah, after checking to see who has paid attention to the rules and has subscribed and to everyone's channels and has left comments and thumbs up and so forth, my winner is, drum roll, Gina Loves to Craft. And I tell you, Gina, thank you so much for all your love and support throughout the years. And yeah, I hope that you like your the package that I will be sending out to you. And yeah, the rest of you do not be what's the correct word? Go ahead and check out the other channels, because we still have a drawing for a grand prize winner. And yeah, you may very well be winning something at the other channels. And yeah, we do plan to do this again sometime soon, so I hope that you stick around and that you new subscribers stick around. And yeah, we'll see you once again real soon. Bye now.